New at 10, we are learning more about the challenges people are facing after getting hit by a car. It all happened last Friday night while they were at a busy food truck on Barton Springs Road. And we're hearing from the husband of a deaf woman who was injured.
He says it was difficult for his wife to communicate with first responders on the scene and tells KXAN's Brianna Hollis he had hoped to see an interpreter there when most of the victims were part of the deaf community.
They told me that it was an emergent situation. I drove 25 minutes.
Joel Barish rushed to Barton Springs Road when his wife FaceTimed him, saying a group of her coworkers, who were also deaf, were hurt in Friday's crash.
I saw ambulances and I wasn't sure what was going on.
He says there was a police officer there who could sign, but Barish was there for 3 hours and never saw an official interpreter, he says.
Well, everything was dark, the lights were going, and the deaf people who were there, the deaf survivors, were shaking and sometimes going fast. When victim services came, they had counseling for the victims, and they were writing and trying to have everybody be patient.
Police wouldn't answer our specific questions about ASL resources at that crash, but say there are officers who are ASL qualified. According to APD policy, ASL interpreters are, quote, available to respond to the scene upon request. The CEO of Interpretation Service Communication by Hand tells us Austin's first responders are typically very responsive with getting interpreters to incidents. Barish says he and his wife are still shaken by Friday's crash, and they hope deaf people in similar situations get quicker access to interpreters.
In the moment, victims are shook up. Their minds aren't working as well as they should. They're not able to function at their same capacity. They're scared and uncomfortable.
Brianna Hollis, KXAN News.
APD asked us to submit a public information request to get more details on the American Sign Language resources that were available the night of that crash. We did put in that request. Austin Travis County EMS says its 911 call center receives calls from deaf patients through third-party interpretation services.
The COVID-19 pandemic brought to the surface the need for interpreters for patients who are deaf or hard of hearing. The interpreters that local healthcare providers did have were limited because in-person services were restricted during the peak of the pandemic. That caused issues for those seeking medical care.